Hi, this is Jim.
And this is Pearl.
And we're escaping to the Smokies. Okay, we're going to drive now to the mill area with the visitor center and head for the parking lot there. So away we go. Well, we didn't get very far. We got a bear jam. For you didn't know, bear jam is everybody stopping to gawk, look at the bears or the wildlife, and guess what? We're about to do the same.
You need to get out, Jim. You're gonna have to get out. He'll be like way behind you. Yeah, he's in the almost to the woods now. I don't think you can't see him now. He's like along the wood line there, edge of the woods. Wait, can you see him? See that dead tree?
Yeah, I see it. We have three cubs and a mama. Oh, I see two cubs. You can see the mama.
They're back behind her a little bit.
Okay.
You see them?
Yeah, I see the two cubs and I see the big one.
There's probably three of them right there. They're probably kind of all together. Just can't see them.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.